Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to Learn to Spark. In today's topic, I am going to discuss about homeostasis or feedback mechanism. Feedback mechanism of the body maintains the balance between the rise and fall of the hormones. That means if excess amount of hormone is secreted, it slows down the process, and when low amount of hormone is secreted, it does the opposite, it speeds up the process. That means feedback mechanism is a counteracting response to bring the body back to a previous set point. Now there are two types of feedback mechanism, negative feedback and positive feedback. Negative feedbacks counteract the abnormal condition to prevail the normal condition. Positive feedback, on the contrary, promotes the abnormal condition. Negative feedback helps to maintain body temperature, blood pressure and blood sugar. Positive feedback helps in uterine contraction. Now let's talk about blood sugar regulation. That means how our body maintains the blood sugar level, normal blood sugar level, that is 90 mg per 100 ml of blood. Now let's see how blood sugar is regulated or maintained in a healthy person. After taking meals, the normal blood sugar increases and high blood glucose is contained in the blood, which triggers a negative feedback to the hypothalamus, which orders pancreas to secrete insulin from the beta cells and store the excess glucose as glycogen into the liver. Now when the excess glucose is taken out of the blood and deposited in the liver, it retains the normal condition of the blood. It retains a normal blood sugar level. On the flip side of that, when we do exercise, blood sugar level decreases and low blood glucose triggers a negative feedback. Now due to the negative feedback, pancreas secretes glucagon from its beta cell and glucagon converts glycogen into glucose again and release in the bloodstream. Thus, normal condition is prevailed again in the blood. This is how insulin and glucagon in combination maintains our blood sugar level. Now let's get to the positive feedback. Positive feedback is a condition which promotes abnormal condition. In normal condition, uterus remains uncontracted, but during the childbirth, when the first contraction occurs, oxytocin is released into the bloodstream of the mother, which sends a positive feedback, and posterior pituitary secretes more oxytocin. More oxytocin means more contraction, which eventually leads to intense contraction, which lasts till the childbirth or the delivery of the baby. When that process is completed, oxytocin release is stopped and normal condition is prevailed once more. That's it for now. Till I meet you in the next video. Keep watching, keep sparkling. Thank you.